Now, in this video, I'm going to explain how we can send a message to uh, someone. Here, Rakesh is the receiver of that message. Now, open open keychain and go to keys section. Now you will be in this page. Now, after here, when you are in this page, select Rakesh. He is the receiver now. If this video does not make any sense to you, then you see the previous videos, okay, previous parts of this video series, then everything will make sense. Now let me select Rakesh, and after selecting this, what I have to do is, there are four icons. You can see four icons in the top section. I have to select second icon, okay, from left. You select that. Now I am here. So the now you see the name Rakesh uh, against this lock icon. That means the receiver is Rakesh here. The receiver of this message is Rakesh. So that means open keychain will encrypt the message using the public key of the Rakesh. That's the meaning. Okay, this message will be encrypted using public key of the Rakesh. Next, there is a section signed with. Select it. That is, select the down triangle and then select Gajendra Babu. So the meaning of this setup is, Rakesh is the receiver of the message and Gajendra Babu is the sender of the message. Okay, now type some message like happy happy birthday. Okay, this is the message I'm going to send to Rakesh. Now I can do two things. If you look at the top section, top bar, there are three icons on the right side. First one is copy icon, second one is share icon, third one is three dots. If you select after writing this message, if I select this copy icon, what happens is, it will be message will be encrypted and copied to the clipboard. So let me select and do it. I am going to do it on both ways, how to encrypt the message and send to the message. So first let me select this copy icon, that is first icon from the top bar. I select that copy icon. Now the message has been encrypted and copied to the clipboard. Now what I have to do is, let me open some text editor. Okay, now the message, encrypted message, is in the clipboard. Now I open my okay, now I open my text editor, and then I select long press and then select paste. Now the message appears here. That means the encrypted message has been pasted from clipboard now into quick edit text editor. Now all I have to do is save it. Save icon exists in the bottom right corner, second from right. Select it and then give a name to it. Okay, happy happy.txt. Okay, now save it. So this encrypted message now exists in as a text file, internal storage. Now you can see that happy.txt. Okay, now let me go to text editor and delete this file. Okay, now that happy.txt can be, if you open that happy.txt, now quick edit text editor has opened that. See, it's only an encrypted message, no one can read anything from it. Okay, unless you have a private key, it cannot be decrypted. So once, for example, let us assume I am Rakesh. Now I have received this text file from Gajendra Babu. Now let me, what I have to do to read it, first select it, then that is select some portion and then select all and then copy it. So I have copied it to clipboard and assume that I am Rakesh now. Now all I have to do is open keychain and then go back to, now I am in this, uh, now select these three lines in the top left corner and select encrypt decrypt. Okay, now you can see this page like this, and here now the message encrypted message, assume that I am Rakesh. Now encrypted message exists in my clipboard. I have copied it from the text editor. Now if I select read from clipboard option, I can read that message, happy birthday. Okay, the message has been sent to Rakesh and he has read it. Now for demonstration purpose, let me write another message, and I will show you the second method how you can send message. Let me go to keys section and now select this Rakesh and now select second icon from the left in order to write a new message to Rakesh. And now you can see again, that is the right side of this lock icon, Rakesh. You can see the Rakesh. That means the sender is the receiver is Rakesh now. So this message will be encrypted using the public key of Rakesh. That's the meaning of it. And then sign it with Gajendra Babu. Okay. Now let me send another message. Come to Chennai as soon as possible. Okay, so this is the second message. So last time the first I selected the copy icon. Now I am going to send this message using share icon. That is it's a second icon from left or center icon in the third three icons. So select share icon, which is at the center at the top bar, select it, and now the message has been encrypted and copied to clipboard. Now if I select Gmail, so the message will be copied from clipboard to my uh, email directly. It will appear in the subject section. So this message is the encrypted message, and now I need to type the address. Okay, since I have already selected Rakesh, this automatically this open keychain has typed this to address. If it has not done it, you just type the email address, okay, correctly, and then send it to, and if you press send, that message will reach Rakesh. Now assume that I am Rakesh. Now what I have to do, I have an email here, okay, and then select the encrypted message, three dots, select all, and then copy it. Now I am Rakesh. I have copied it. Assume that I am Rakesh. I have copied it, the encrypted message. Now what I have to do is I have to read it from this encrypted message. Now let me select the, let me touch cross icon from left, then from this arrow icon, the top left corner, and then three lines appear, and select it, and then go back to encrypt decrypt, select the second option, encrypt decrypt, and now you will be here. Now assume that I am Rakesh. I have already copy pasted the encrypted message from the email into my clipboard. Now if I click this read from clipboard, I can read the message, come to Chennai as soon as possible. Now in this video, I have demonstrated two methods how you can send the encrypted message to intended receiver. Here he is Rakesh. Now in the next video, I'm going to explain another point which will complete this video series. See you in the next video.